Hey guys, Sarah here. Welcome back to my channel. I cannot believe that I'm filming my very first video of 2018 and it is the 11th, which is crazy. I feel like I've been gone for so long, but I was out of town for New Year's Eve and then I got back home and I have had the flu since. I'm going on like 10 days of being sick and I'm still really congested, which is probably why my voice sounds so nasally. So sorry about that. I did want to just hop back into it and just start filming videos and getting content out there again. So today we are going to be talking about my 5 bad beauty habits that I'm going to be leaving in 2017 and not bringing with me to the new year. And then also I'm going to share my 5 good beauty habits that I have already been implementing through last year and I'm going to bring them over to this year as well. So if you want to see those, then keep watching. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe before you leave so you don't miss any of my future videos. All right, let's get into it. Everyone has the things that they're really good at and the things that they're really bad at as far as their beauty routine and habits go. So depending on what yours are, your beauty habits or goals may be different than mine, but I hope you learned something from this. I hope that you think it's fun, and I want to know down below what your beauty habits are, what you're keeping, what you're leaving behind. I'm going to start out with my 5 bad beauty habits that I'm definitely going to at least try to leave behind in last year. The first bad beauty habit that I want to ditch this year is dirty makeup brushes. I'm pretty good at cleaning my makeup brushes, but I could definitely be better, and it's so crucial to clean your brushes because it will get all of the bacteria out of them, and I have acne prone skin, and so it's so important that I clean my face brushes on a regular basis just so that I don't get that bacteria on my brushes and I'm not clogging up my pores with extra product and bacteria that I need to. So I usually clean mine like once every 2 weeks, but I definitely need to make it at least once every week this year. So that's something I'm definitely trying to work on. And if you aren't familiar with cleaning your brushes, I did a video about it a couple weeks ago. I will link that up here and also down below in the bottom bar in case you're interested. But in case you don't know, cleaning your brushes is so important, so definitely watch that video on how to do it and clean your brushes if you haven't done it. Let's do this together. My second bad beauty habit is having unused products in my collection. There are products that are just shoved to the back of the drawer or they're under different products and I just totally forget about them and then I don't use them. So one of my goals this year is to actually go through the products that I have and use all of the products. There are so many things that I like, but they just get lost in the shuffle, and so one of my goals is definitely to use up all of the products that are in, not use up, but like actually use all of the products that are in my collection. My third bad beauty habit is not drinking enough water. In the summer, I have no problem drinking enough water because it's so warm out and I just need to hydrate and cool off and it's so refreshing. But when it's the winter time, it is so hard for me to drink enough water because I'm always cold. And like, a glass of cold ice water sounds terrible when you're already cold. One of my big goals for my beauty routine is to drink more water and just for my health in general. But even as far as just beauty, water has so many benefits. It'll make your eyes more clear. It'll make your skin more clear. It also will make your skin more plump. So if you ever have like your eyes look like they're sunken in, that can be because you are dehydrated. So there's just so many reasons to drink more water. So if you're not drinking enough water, then definitely make that one of your resolutions this year. My fourth bad beauty habit I am leaving behind is not picking up after myself. I will do my makeup and then I'll just leave everything out on my vanity, and then when I go to do my makeup again, I have to put everything away before I start over. It's so stupid, and everything has a place in there. I just need to actually put it away. So just like keeping a clean and organized space helps me keep an organized head. So I'm going to really try to keep my beauty space clean this year. And my last and fifth bad beauty habit is sticking to the same old products. I have things that I absolutely love and I find myself using them all the time instead of branching out and trying new products or even trying products that are in my collection that I also like. I just get stuck in such a rut that I use the exact same products every single day, and I just think that it's so much more fun to branch out. So I'm gonna try to actually branch out and use other products and try new stuff and like see when things launch and actually put myself out there to explore, try new trends, try new products, all of that. All right, on to the good beauty habits that I have that I want to keep going through 2018. The first one is I never go to bed with makeup on. I always, no matter how tired I am, if I'm sick, even if I've been drinking, like, it does not matter the reason, my makeup will come off before I go to bed. And that has just been such a game changer for me. I used to go to bed with my makeup on all the time, and there are so many reasons not to. Keeping your makeup on overnight can cause aging. It will sit in your skin, like on your skin, and it will cause wrinkles, which none of us want that. It also will clog your pores and back up bacteria, which causes acne. So also not ideal. And third, it will stain your pillowcases. So there's just really no good reason to go to bed with makeup on. So I definitely wash my face every night. I think it's super important, and I'm definitely gonna continue that on through 2018. The second good habit that I want to continue is not using heat on my hair daily. I used to wash, dry, and style my hair every single day until about 1.5 years ago, and then I realized that I didn't need to wash my hair every day, which means I also don't need to style it every day. As you can see, today my hair's in a braid, it's super messy, and it's also dirty, so I put no heat on it today. I actually haven't put heat on my hair in about 5 days. I am lucky in the fact that my hair dries straight, and so I don't really have to style it if I don't want to. But even so, I will go and, like, I won't dry my hair, I'll let my hair air dry. And even if I do curl it or use a curling wand on it, I will try to curl it one day and then, like, make the waves last the second day. Or I'll wear it up the second day, whatever that means. I know that it's not realistic for everyone to not use heat as frequently as I do, but I do think you can go at least every other day if you are trying to do that. It just makes your hair so much healthier, and it won't be as damaged, especially if you color your hair. Colored hair gets damaged so much quicker, so I highly recommend trying to use heat less if you use heat all the time right now. I definitely recommend trying to cut back a little bit, but it has done wonders for my hair. The third good beauty habit that I have is my exfoliating and skincare routine. I started exfoliating my skin maybe like 1 year or 2 ago, which is crazy that it was that soon, that recently, but I have had my skincare routine for a couple of years now, and when you exfoliate your skin, you let your skincare products seep into your skin so much more quickly and deeply, so your products really make a longer lasting impression, and they just do a better job. But having a really solid skincare routine will honestly change your skin so much, and I never realized that having a great skincare routine and having my skin be more like reliable, for lack of a better word, makes my makeup go on so much better. My makeup has never gone on so easily as it has since my skincare routine was totally down and solid and really, really consistent. The longer I'm talking, the more nasally I'm sounding in my head. I don't know if it's sounding that way to you guys or not, but I can hear it. I hope it's not. I also just blew my nose, so my nose is red. Being sick and filming is definitely not something that goes well together. Alright, so my fourth good habit that I want to continue on is not buying trendy makeup just for the sake of buying the trendy makeup. So every single year there's going to be new palettes and new products that come out that are really exciting and get a ton of hype. And that doesn't mean that we all have to go out and buy them. So there's always going to be a new eyeshadow palette or a new mascara that has this cool new technology that's going to make your eyelashes look amazing. And it's always going to be something, and they're always going to get that hype and that press and the media and the reviews. But spending your money on it, if it's not true to yourself and it's really something that inspires you, or you know that you're going to use, or you think that you're really going to love, then there's no point in adding it to your collection. So I definitely started trying to pare down the products and really think about products before I just buy them. And it's helped me so much, really curate a collection of makeup that I truly love, that is true to me, not just what my favorite YouTubers say is cool. So definitely try to stay true to what you think you're actually going to get your use out of, and think about your lifestyle and your makeup style in general before you just impulse buy the next trendy thing that hits the market. The fifth and final beauty habit that I want to continue is staying true to my personal style despite what the trends are. So every single year, again, there's going to be trends that come out, and that doesn't mean that you have to conform to those if they don't fit your style. For instance, 2017, there were the wavy eyebrows, which I don't think I'll ever understand that trend. I think it's silly, I don't think it's flattering on people, and I just don't understand it, so I'm not gonna try it. Another thing is, like, I'm never going to be the person that leaves my house in blue lipstick. I just can't rock that look. If you can rock it, all the power to you. Like, do it, leave your house in blue lipstick and, like, wear it. but that's not me, so it'd be such a waste of money for me to buy a blue lipstick because I'm never gonna get my use out of it. So despite what the trends are, stay true to your personal style, stay true to yourself and even your lifestyle. Alrighty guys, those are my 5 bad habits I want to leave in 2017 and my 5 good habits I want to continue on through 2018. Let me know down below in the comments what your either bad habit is that you want to leave in 2017 or your good habit that you want to keep going in 2018. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure you give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe down below so you don't miss any of my future videos. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.